Show. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from a reservation somewhere, taking a look at BTC and the rest of the market. Got coming at 17,030. Been holding that price action for quite some time. Slowly climbing, slowly making its way up to the upside. Just out of this downward trend time frame, but is it going to hold that price action? Could probably see ways action over time. Got this at some all-time low price action, and if you really take a look at the full setup today, if we were actually, get back to where we were actually operating price range, definitely could be between this 20 to 28,000 as far as getting some recovery, getting back onto that actual bear market. We still got people buying in the market, people selling, people buying in, and definitely it's been holding this price action for quite some time. Been looking for this 8 to 12,000 area. Am I going to get it? That just remains to be seen. Definitely coming in at some amazing price action over time, and I'm definitely excited to see where we're going with this price action. We had Goldman Sachs, I believe that's how you say it. If anybody has a better clarification, be sure to comment it. Make it sound good. but definitely seen definitely out there on the lurk for some some savings on some cryptos, willing to invest billions and whatever companies they can take. Basically looking for all the companies that can take over. If you can't handle it, they're gonna handle it, and guess I see some decent outlook in the crypto world. So that's definitely some decent news across the board, especially with BTC, low price action. And I'm just waiting around for that low price action, getting that accumulation across the board. But you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. Definitely got to. I hit up on that diversification. I do stocks. I do crypto. I gotta, I splash the cash around. Don't keep all my eggs in one basket. As you could tell, a lot of upset people with FTX, and the stuff like that, especially coming back. We've been talking about this since November. We were talking about companies that just can't make it, and we've been talking about this as well with the Dow Jones. We've been talking about that for the past few weeks. I said we weren't out of the woods yet. We still didn't make it over this 35,000 area, and just at this area of interest that we had going into play, sounds like we could possibly get some lower price action with this scenario starting to play out. Are we going to start holding some lower price action? Are we get that upward move to the upside, getting some bullish moves to the upside? Definitely remains to be seen. Everybody's waiting on that, the Fed meeting here coming up in a few weeks, and from the remarks of that meeting, definitely going to decide on going. Are we going to continue making some movement up to the upside, or are we going to start seeing some more price action, market crash like everybody's talking about? And well, actually, it's kind of getting lightened up on the market crash. I only see that once in a while, when a lot of people out here just waiting around looking for that low price action and waiting for that takeoff moment. So it's been a long time in the wait, and I'm definitely glad to be a part of it out here and grabbing as much accumulation as I can be into going into this 2023 year. Definitely excited to see where we're going into the next year, especially with BTC. Dow Jones, if we start price action with Dow Jones, BTC was definitely affected over that time. So is it going to affect it negatively? Is it going to affect it positively? Just, depends on where people want to throw their money at this time around on this dippy action. So, definitely excited to see where everybody's going to be going. Sales price action across the market. We still got people buying in green. We still got, NKN still getting some love out there. We got Jewel's been creeping up there. For those of you that didn't even notice, it's been going up. I mean, it's been steadily climbing. Definitely love that sales price action. We got some low price action. When I seen it coming down, from way up there, like, $44, that was, and I was wondering what's going on with that too, but it was in their, their plan. They let everybody know we're going to be, creating a little bit bigger space for the money. So just to let you know, we'll be back up here at the price action later, but apparently that's exactly what was going on with Jewel. But coming at 29 cents, going up, still getting some love out there. Definitely excited to see where we're going with that price action. It was up there at some high priced action at one time, so I'm definitely excited to see where we're going with that. CT below 7, BLZ still holding that 6, NU OGN still holding around that 10 cent, 8 cent area. Cannabis stocks, you know, had a good retracement down to some low price accumulation prices. CGC, the big winner of